Now, let's explore a 60-foot Danish roll trailer, engineered to carry extremely heavy loads up to 120 tons over short distances, such as in ports or industrial yards. When empty, it weighs roughly 32,000 pounds. The trailer rides on 4 axles, each capable of supporting over 55,000 pounds, while the fifth wheel, connecting it to the towing vehicle, can handle more than 81,000 pounds on its own. Its deck is crafted from thick steel, able to withstand pressures up to 4.8 pounds per square inch. The trailer is wide about 9 feet across and stands just under 3 feet tall. Instead of traditional tires, it uses 8 solid rubber wheels, each over 2 feet in diameter, providing remarkable stability when transporting heavy equipment or containers. Designed for safety rather than speed, it moves at just over 6 miles per hour when loaded, and up to 10 miles per hour when empty. Short trips under 1.5 miles are ideal, followed by a few hours to let the system cool before the next run. Along the sides and deck, there are 50 heavy-duty rings and additional tie-down points to secure cargo firmly during transport. Forklift pockets are spaced about 6.7 feet apart, making it easy for workers to lift and maneuver the trailer when needed. Meet the Oregon, a highway truck engineered for power and safety. It offers engine options ranging from 370 to 525 horsepower, with torque reaching up to 1,850 pound-feet. But this truck isn't just about raw muscle. It's packed with intelligent safety systems that watch the road and actively assist the driver. Cameras and radar sensors monitor blind spots, detect lane drift, and track traffic ahead. If a hazard appears, the truck can intervene with steering corrections or braking. It even monitors driver alertness, safely bringing the vehicle to a stop if there's no response. Behind the scenes, a connected fleet system allows managers to track performance and send updates remotely without disrupting the driver's journey. In the Netherlands, a cargo restraint system has been developed to keep goods secure during transport, whether by truck, train, ship, or plane. This system combines heavy-duty tension straps with metal tracks to hold loads firmly in place. The straps attach to fixed anchor points on the tracks, each labeled with its safe working load, its expected stretch up to 5%, and the pulling force applied when tightened through the ratchet. Models like the 3009 track mount horizontally on vehicle walls and are compatible with floor tracks and other fittings. Installation is flexible, using screws, rivets, welding, or strong adhesives, making the system suitable for a wide range of vehicles and load types. To secure cargo, the strap is fed through the ratchet, hooked into the track, and tightened firmly so items won't shift during transit. The webbing is intentionally rigid, designed to stay tight with minimal stretch. All components are manufactured with precise machinery for consistent quality. Take a look at this innovative beach umbrella, a hitch-mounted canopy system built to provide fast, reliable shelter wherever you need it. It connects easily to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and offers up to 115 square feet of protection from sun or rain. When packed, the canopy measures 61 by 6 by 10 inches and weighs 37 pounds, while the hitch component measures 29 by 6 by 2 inches and weighs 12 pounds. The fabric is made from color-stable polyacrylic, supported by strong aluminum ribs, and the 2.4-inch diameter shaft uses stainless steel and solid brass hardware. Once attached to your vehicle, suction cups keep it steady, even in winds up to 25 miles per hour. Designed for short bed pickups and most SUVs, some larger SUVs may need a hitch extension to maintain rear door access. Setup and takedown are quick, less than 90 seconds, with no stakes or tie-downs required. This versatile sunshade is priced at $995. Gouda, based in Hillegom, Netherlands, designs and supplies geotechnical testing systems used worldwide. Since 2003, the company has delivered reliable equipment for cone penetration testing, dynamic penetration testing, and seismic soil analysis, now serving over 130 countries. One of its flagship products is the crawler truck CPT penetrometer rig, mounted on either 4x4 or 4x2 MTGS trucks. These rigs feature a penetrometer capable of 200 kilonewtons pushing force and 260 kilonewtons pulling force, with a stroke length of 1,350 millimeters. The hydraulic system, powered by the truck's diesel engine, uses electronically controlled valves to ensure smooth, confident operation. Operators manage everything through a touchscreen panel, a joystick, and a CAN bus-based interface. Gouda Geo also offers triaxial seismic CPT systems, which measure compression and shear wave velocities directly in the ground. A specialized adapter captures wave movement in 3 directions, giving engineers deep, revealing insight into soil behavior under stress. For shallower tests, the company provides a manual DPL apparatus, which includes a 10-kilogram drop weight with handles, steel conical tips in 2 sizes, 22mm diameter sounding tubes marked every 10 centimeters, and essential tools like a tube puller and spanners. This setup is effective for depths up to 10 meters. Transform your pickup truck into a mini office, a mobile hunting base, or a cozy hangout with Diggy folding seats from Mark X Pakistan. Designed to fit the Toyota Hilux Revo and many other pickups, these seats are foldable, easy to install, and secure with just 3 nut bolts. The powder-coated metal base resists rust and scratches, while the 5-inch foam padding provides long-lasting comfort. Scratch-resistant leatherette keeps everything clean and fresh. Choose a single folding seat that locks neatly when not in use, or a back-to-back dual seat offering a full 360-degree view, perfect for security personnel or anyone who needs visibility. When folded, the seats free up valuable trunk space, keeping gear organized and preventing items from sliding around. In Woodridge, they use an advanced system to keep tire pressure consistent on trailers with 1 to 4 axles, compatible with common tire sizes. It typically maintains pressures between 85 and 120 psi. At its heart is a durable rotary union designed to last up to 1 million miles, with air flowing through 3/8-inch lines. While basic pressure control doesn't require electricity, features like warning lights and system diagnostics do. Unlike simpler systems that only add air, this one can also release excess pressure, keeping all tires balanced, crucial for trailers with dual tires. The hubcap is sealed to block dirt, and the rotary union channels air from axle to wheel. Steel-braided hoses inside the axle deliver air precisely where it's needed. A built-in filter keeps out debris, and a vent allows clean airflow. The controller monitors pressure continuously, pausing airflow when brakes engage. For avid cyclists who often transport bikes by car, the Thule Helium platform offers a clever, hassle-free solution. No removing wheels, no lifting bikes onto the roof. This hitch-mounted rack holds up to 2 bikes securely by the wheels, not the frame, making it perfect for delicate carbon or lightweight designs. Each bike can weigh up to 90 pounds. It fits wheel sizes from 26 to 29 inches and tire widths up to 3 inches. Bikes are spaced 10 inches apart to prevent contact during transit. Built from high-strength aluminum and weighing just over 43 pounds. It fits both 1.25-inch and 2-inch receivers. A tilt-down feature allows trunk access even with bikes mounted. The rack folds flat against the vehicle when not in use. Integrated cable locks secure both bikes and rack. Installation is quick, and once mounted, it minimizes wobble beautifully. The price is $850. In Sweden, there's a specialized machine designed to lift and transport extremely heavy cable drums, handling anywhere from 77,000 to 114,000 pounds, depending on the configuration. It's perfect for power line projects, telecom installations, large construction sites, or any location where massive cable drums must be moved without extra equipment. What sets this trailer apart is its ability to both lift and transport the drum, meaning a single person with one vehicle can pick up, move, and set down a drum with ease. A built-in hydraulic system lifts the drum safely from the side, eliminating the need for cranes and saving valuable time on tight job sites. Adjustable hydraulic supports accommodate drums of various sizes, while an optional top-mounted spreader can lift via the drum's center shaft. The trailer frame can be modified for wider drums, and it can even be configured to carry 20-foot containers. For extremely large drums, the trailer can be repositioned to ensure ideal balance during lifting, giving unmatched flexibility on demanding jobs. Companies keep pushing their truck bed storage systems to new levels, each one trying to offer something tougher, smarter, and more convenient. One system that really stands out is the decked drawer setup built to handle nearly any weather you throw at it. You can literally wash your bike on top of it, and everything inside stays dry. The drawers glide smoothly on sealed urethane wheels with steel ball bearings, even when they're carrying a full load. Gasket seals along the edges block dust and water, keeping the interior clean and protected. Depending on the truck model, the whole system weighs between 200 and 220 pounds. Each drawer extends up to 72 inches and carries up to 200 to 100 pounds, while the top platform is strong enough to hold up to 200 to 1,000 pounds, perfect for pallets, heavy gear, or even an ATV. The whole setup is priced at $1,000 to $1,500. Some pickups leave the pavement behind and head straight into the dirt to help farmers keep their work moving. And for those long, exhausting days in the field, the C5 bale bed is built to keep everything simple, steady, and reliable. Created for ranchers and farmers who constantly lift, move, and unroll round hay bales. This setup uses an electric over hydraulic system that runs about 12% faster than typical designs. Powered through a 350 amp fuse, each hydraulic line is equipped with check valves that stop the arms from drifting during heavy hauls. Instead of complicated controls, synchronized phasing cylinders move both arms together, making operation smoother, more predictable, and easier on busy hands. On uneven terrain, the arms adjust naturally, helping spread hay more evenly and cutting down on waste. The bed itself is built from steel with a 1/8-inch tread plate floor. Covered in a tough urethane primer and paint to withstand years of harsh work, a bent tube headache rack adds strength, while two lockable toolboxes, Chandler or RK, I give you sealed, quiet, secure storage. A device called Track and Go lets ordinary cars with regular wheels instantly gain extra tracks. The maker says installation takes just 15 minutes, and once it's on, your vehicle can glide over snow-covered roads with ease. You can even leave the tracks on for short trips up to 10 miles without damaging the asphalt. This winter, Track and Go gives you what you really need: no more buying snow tires, tightening chains, or loading sandbags in your truck bed. It's built to be simple and effective. Unlike most track systems that demand major vehicle changes and long, expensive installation, just slide it into place, lock it in, and start driving. The TG4 model is made from high-strength low-alloy steel and tough aluminum 661T6. The whole system weighs 1 to 1,000, 5 to 100 pounds, and is designed for 4x4 vehicles with a maximum gross weight of 12,500 pounds, or 6 to 1,250 pounds per axle. The track tread features self-cleaning lugs and an all-terrain side pattern. It measures 136 inches long and 15 inches wide. Built from durable rubber, reinforced with Kevlar and internal composite rods, it performs reliably in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 1 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for speeds up to 40 miles per hour and a turning radius of 20 to 30 degrees. It can also handle side slopes of up to 25%. Not too far away in Belgium, you'll find a trailer built for one job, moving unbelievably heavy. Oversized cargo like massive machines, industrial components, or construction equipment. It comes in multiple versions, with capacities ranging from 15 tons all the way to more than 1 to 1,000 tons. Its axles can rotate up to 60 degrees, allowing the trailer to slip through tight turns even with a gigantic load on board. The deck can lower to under 9 inches from the ground, creating extra clearance for tall cargo to move under bridges or through tunnels. Some models can even stretch beyond 2 to 100 feet, thanks to telescopic frames, perfect for carrying long items like wind turbine blades or steel beams. Many versions use hydraulic systems to adjust height and keep everything steady on the road. Certain models include goosenecks that can retract or detach completely, making loading and unloading much easier. In some setups, the trailer can split into sections and be rearranged to match the cargo size or road conditions. This type of equipment is often used to move generators, huge transformers, or entire sections of industrial facilities. It's engineered to meet different rules across different countries. So components like axle counts can be changed to fit local regulations. And the last stop is Finland, the land of, well, does anyone remember that rock band Lordi? Pause. Anyway, in Finland, as in most places, moving cargo that's too huge or too heavy for standard trucks takes real planning and serious gear. Pause. There's a Finnish specialized transport system built to handle massive loads like wind turbine blades stretching 74 meters, tanks up to 9 meters wide, and even single pieces weighing more than 4 to 100 tons. Their trucks and trailers can be adjusted to match the exact shape and size of whatever needs moving. Before anything rolls out, the team studies the route in extreme detail, checking bridge limits, narrow roads, and anything hanging overhead. They even use 3D models and laser scanning to be sure everything fits and the path stays safe. Introducing the innovative mini crane, a compact, versatile tool built to lift heavy items like air conditioners to heights of up to 24 feet, created by an experienced heating and ventilation specialist. It's engineered for reliability, practicality, and real-world performance. One of its most impressive advantages is how quickly it can be assembled or taken apart. You can set it up or break it down on your own, with no special tools or professional help. A huge relief for contractors and DIY users alike. When folded, the mini crane becomes compact enough to fit in the back of a standard pickup truck, making travel between job sites simple and stress-free. Despite its small footprint, this tough little machine can handle up to 310 pounds, a remarkable strength-to-size ratio. With multiple platform options, the crane can be customized for different lifting tasks. Whether moving heavy machinery or fragile equipment, you can choose the platform that keeps handling safe and efficient. It also features a tilting mechanism that adds extra flexibility, allowing you to maneuver and position objects precisely, even in tight or challenging spaces. The team behind Rover King had one mission in mind: turn trucks like the Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma into cozy, fully capable campers. So, what did they come up with? Rover King builds slide-in truck campers tough enough for rough trails, harsh weather, and year-round adventure. Each unit weighs between 1,000 and 1,200 pounds, built with a strong aluminum frame and insulated composite panels. The roof pops up to create extra headroom, supported by canvas sides and a solid upper shell, while the powder-coated exterior adds long-lasting protection. Inside, 2 to 3 people can sleep comfortably, thanks to a queen-size mattress above and a seating area that converts into a second bed. Storage is tucked into cabinets and under the seats, making every inch count. The compact kitchenette includes a sink, with a stove available as an upgrade, and an optional diesel heater keeps the space warm during cold nights. Power runs on a 12-volt system, with optional solar panels for extra independence, a freshwater tank, and electric pump supply running water. And buyers can choose AGM or lithium batteries to match their needs. Its base version starts at $15,400. Next comes a tarp system built for trailers that tilt backward, the kind you see on farms and construction sites. It uses sturdy sidearms with spring power to smoothly pull the tarp into place. The cover itself is made from a tough PVC mesh, designed to rest gently over the load without needing to be strapped down tight. You can choose between 2 versions, one protected by a steel housing and one open. Installation is flexible too. It can sit at the front or the back of the trailer, depending on your setup. The best part, it opens and closes in under 30 seconds, all controlled safely from the ground. No need to climb up and risk a fall. The 7-inch dual-chrome pickup truck smokestack kit is built for drivers who want that bold, semi-truck style and a deeper, more powerful exhaust note. Instead of sending exhaust out the back, this setup routes it upward through vertical stacks, placed right behind the cab. The kit uses a 5-inch T-pipe that narrows to 4 inches, so you only need to cut one hole in the truck bed. The lock and load system created by the Risk Racing team completely changed the way motorcycles are transported. Instead of using straps, they secure the bike with simple, durable clips. The whole setup is made from aluminum and is surprisingly easy to use. First, the truck, van, or trailer gets fitted with low-profile mounting plates. These plates then connect to the clips, and the built-in ratchet system lets you adjust the fit for different motorcycle sizes. This sliding truck bed platform transforms how you access the back of your truck. No more crawling over the bed to reach items near the cab. Just slide the platform out smoothly and grab what you need right from the ground. It supports up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, making it strong enough for heavy loads like bricks, bags of cement, tools, or firewood. Ball-bearing rollers ensure effortless movement, even fully loaded, and 2 lock points halfway and fully extended let you position it perfectly for any task.
The sliding tray is designed for Ford Ranger models from 2012 to 2020, including PX, PX2, PX3, and Next G versions. It can carry up to 250 kilograms of evenly distributed load and comes in 2 surface options: a lightweight plastic version or a stronger, corrosion-resistant aluminum version. The tray slides out about 75% of the tub's length, built on heavy-duty industrial-grade roller bearings. It features multiple lockout positions to stay secure, even on slopes. The frame is made from powder-coated high-strength steel, and a solid latch allows easy one-hand operation. Installation is simple, bolting directly into factory mounts without any permanent modifications. Meet the Truck Claw system, the ultimate solution for smooth, steady driving in mud and snow, keeping your vehicle from getting stuck. It works with any vehicle that has at least 6.4 centimeters of clearance between the wheel and the arch. The Truck Claw kit, designed for 2 wheels, is available for just $170. With technology advancing rapidly, headlights have become smarter than ever. These feature-rich lights offer 8 beam patterns, 8 brightness levels, and directional adjustments, all easily managed with a handy remote. They can brightly illuminate up to 939 meters ahead, with a light spread reaching 164 meters wide. As one of the most powerful LED options on the market, their bold decahedron design adds a striking visual flair to your vehicle. With advanced settings and stunning performance, these headlights don't just improve visibility, they redefine automotive style. Winter fishing fans adore these massive skis. The latest upgrade revolutionizes your adventures. Even ATVs can tow them now for unmatched versatility. Meticulously crafted details ensure smooth, seamless towing. Each ski measures 1.4 by 41 centimeters, gliding effortlessly through snow and ice. Just $25 for a pair. Simple, effective, and ready for action. Or grab the advanced tow hitch ski, measuring 104 by 51 centimeters, for $860. Adventure awaits. Glide boldly into the season. The Ford Ranger version comes in at $550. The Elongator multifunction tailgate begins with a 2-foot steel extension that locks securely into 2 positions, one at 180 degrees, creating a longer flat surface for extra cargo, and another at 210 degrees, forming a solid base for loading ramps. It's built tough, handling up to 850 pounds without a single rattle on the road. Hidden inside the tailgate are 2 6-foot aluminum ramps, each capable of supporting 700 pounds when needed. They lock into different points along the extension for maximum flexibility. You can even add a backup camera and a remote lock, both wired, to sync perfectly with the truck's original key fob. Replacing the factory tailgate, this setup offers truck owners a simple, smart way to handle bigger loads without any extra fuss. Installation takes less than 10 minutes, reusing the original hardware to keep things easy. For trucks with electronic systems, the elongator connects directly to the wiring, so everything works just like before. It's a true game changer for daily tasks that a standard tailgate just can't handle, supporting long items like lumber, pipes, or kayaks that don't usually fit in the bed. It also makes loading motorcycles, ATVs, and lawnmowers safer and smoother with those integrated ramps. The complete tailgate upgrade kit is priced at $2,150.
Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.